5 big reasons you should buy an Instant Pot, plus tips and recipes. The Instant Pot is wildly popular for many reasons. For starters, it's safe, it speeds up long slow cooks, and it's easy to clean. If you've been considering buying an Instant Pot but are still on the fence, this guide is for you. The benefits of owning one of these electronic multi-cookers are numerous. Here we lay them all out. From slow-cooked meals made quickly, to baking cakes and desserts, there are so many reasons to love the Instant Pot. Here are the major reasons its popularity has risen to cult-like status, and why you should consider owning one, too. Number 1. It's not just a pressure cooker. First off, an Instant Pot isn't just an electric pressure cooker. As a true multi-cooker, it sears, browns and sautés food like a stovetop skillet. It also steams delicate items such as fish, eggs and vegetables. Instant Pots double as standalone electric rice cookers as well. You can use them to bake bread, cakes and other sweets like custards, flan, even cheesecakes. Many Instant Pot models come with special yogurt modes. And yes, they function as slow cookers, too. Number 2. You can cook elaborate meals in less than an hour. The Instant Pot hits food with a 1-2 punch combo of high pressure and heat. The result, things that usually take all day to cook are done in hours. We're talking about tough cuts of meat like pork ribs, beef brisket and pork shoulder. The same goes for soups and stews, plus beans and grains. Normally they'd need to simmer for what feels like an eternity. Not so in the Instant Pot, which speeds up ordinary cook times by a factor of 3. Number 3. It's super safe. The Instant Pot is no cantankerous old-school manual pressure cooker. It has plenty of onboard safety features made possible through electronics. For example, a host of sensors help it self-regulate internal pressure and temperature. They're designed to ensure the Instant Pot operates within preset safety limits. Sensors also detect whether the lid is locked or not. And unless the cover is firmly clamped down, the Instant Pot won't take on pressure. Likewise, once the cooker's interior becomes pressurized, the lid automatically locks in place. Factor in the numerous pre-programmed settings tailored to the type of food it cooks. All that makes Instant Pots light years ahead safety-wise of their ancient pressure cooker counterparts. Of course, you still need to operate your appliance properly and with care. Number 4. There are so many recipes. The internet has gone wild for the Instant Pot, with countless personal blogs, cooking websites and Facebook groups devoted to it. Together they also generate a copious and steady supply of recipes. From tacos to Italian beef sandwiches to Korean-style ribs and popcorn, chances are someone has tried it. There's even a recipe for making wine in your Instant Pot. Number 5. Easy cleanup. Probably the Instant Pot's best quality, besides fast cook times, is its simple cleanup. First of all, there's just one pot to worry about. Secondly, as long as you know the right methods, the inner pot is painless to wash by hand. In addition, the pot and the cooker's various parts are dishwasher safe. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.